guys, before I do anything today, I just gotta give a shout out to the Grand Marquis. I don't know how this car made it like 14,000 miles without one problem this entire trip. Just got so lucky with that. That could have been some problems that would have made it way more difficult. It was one of the main things I was worried about on this trip. So tonight I have to catch a flight to Alaska at about 7 o'clock. So just have to make sure I'm all packed and, you know, get there early because I can't miss this flight. But yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Gonna go skate. Right foot on. Now push as hard as you can. And right, get that all the way in. That's how you need to be. No weight on the back foot at all. 1, 2, 3.
It's a little harder with your own weight, for sure.
Next try, you got it. Yes! That was awesome. Yeah. Okay guys, I have about an hour until I have to leave for my flight, so I'm gonna try to learn a nollie 360 to disaster revert that I was trying the other day in Idaho. So yeah, see if I can get it. Oh. I thought this one would be easier. I'm having trouble like staying over the board. Okay, so we got 10% battery and 20 minutes left. Okay, we got 5% battery, 10 minutes left. Gonna have to stop trying that and switch it to switch varial flip to no stall. When in doubt, just pull out the varial flip. All right, I got a few more minutes. I'm gonna try a couple of those nollie 360 disasters again. Okay guys, not much time for an outro. Gotta head to the airport, but yeah, that was pretty intense, man. It was tough to focus on the trick with like knowing I had to leave in 15-20 minutes, you know, and then I'm like, should I switch the trick? So yeah, that was definitely a pretty mental battle right there, but yeah, it's like they got those tricks and that's it. Heading to Alaska. I've probably been looking forward to this state the most of any of the states, so that's it. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.